Morning, people, and welcome back to Cheng's Aqua. And as you can tell, today we're in the vehicle, well, car. Why did I say vehicle? I don't know. But we're going to go and pick up a new aquarium. Well, a used aquarium, but new to me and for free. That's why we're gonna go and pick it up. It's a little far, I'm not gonna lie. It's about an hour and a half away. But this is a bigger aquarium, where if I were to purchase one, it would be about $800 to $1,000. So I said, you know, why not? I can make a video out of it. I could use the tank, and on top of that, you know, I could also show you guys me getting basically a free aquarium. So it's just a win-win all around. So I decided, let's do it. I'm taking Ace with me. Ace, where are you? There you are. Going for the joyride. I don't take him out as much because it's so cold, but warming up, so we're gonna probably be doing a lot more of these trips. I'm basically getting this 120 gallon because of the foot pattern on it. It's not 6 feet, it's only 4 feet, and it's tall, so that's really coming in handy. That way I could probably put discus in it, you know, I don't know, just brainstorming ideas, etc. But 120 gallon aquarium, I could use it. If not, use it for a little bit, sell it, hopefully, and get some money out of it. So, yeah, stay tuned while we go and pick it up and we go on this road trip. I got my Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Got Ace. He already had breakfast. He already used the restroom this morning. And we're going on a trip. Ace is looking out the window right now, so he doesn't really care. Maybe we can get his attention. There he is. Okay. Anyway, I'll show you guys an update when we're halfway there. This tank is about an hour and a half away, so enjoy the video. It's going to be a little bit of a longer one. I'm going to show you guys exactly when I pick it up. Maybe halfway there if we stop at any place. And maybe we stop by a fish store as well. Maybe make another video out of this. Anyway, stay tuned. Stop by to get some gas. Gas is costing me lots of money. So now we're about 40 minutes out from the location. Haven't stopped. Ace hasn't asked to go to the bathroom. He's still laying down back there. But we're still about 40 minutes out from picking up the tank. We are, I think, in PA. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned that I'm picking this tank up in Pennsylvania, but I think we're in PA at least. Texted the guy about 40 minutes out, and yeah. Again, this is a 120 gallon aquarium. I think the dimensions are 4x2x2, if I'm not mistaken, or 5x2x2. No, if it was 5x2x2, it would be the same as 150. So I don't know. But we'll see. So now we have the tank in the back. He had his brother help me, or help himself actually. All I did was stand there and hold the door open. They lifted the tank up and put it in my truck. This is also a really cool little town I wanted to start recording. Trying to see if I could find any pet stores around here, but I guess not. Sorry, Ace. I did get him a bone though from a supermarket for dogs, of course. But right now he has his head out the window and doesn't care for the bone right now. Here's the aquarium. I noticed this after we picked it up, or while I was picking it up. It's tempered, so I can't drill it. They also made a makeshift filter, which I'm thinking about taking out, to be honest. Still not 100% sure, but I might just take it out to have more space. But I don't know. We'll see what I do here. But yeah, this tank was free. I had to drive pretty far to pick it up. Ace wasn't too happy about the distance, but he's like, you tell him. But yeah, this would be great for stingrays. Thanks for watching. Check out the other social media that we have. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.